Welcome to my channel Travel Information. If you are come my channel, like, subscribe and share my video to your family, friends and relative. Today talking about Bateaux Parisiens Seine River, which located in Paris, France. This show duration is 2 hours 30 minutes, approximately. You and your guests will begin with a romantic cruise through the city lights of Paris. As the boat departs, take in the breathtaking views of the Eiffel Tower, Louvre Museum, and Ile de la Cité. Then, be served a delicious 3-course dinner featuring classic French cuisine. Enjoy live music and drinks as you float along the river, admiring the beauty of the city. After dinner, the boat will make its way back to the pier, providing one last glimpse at the stunning scenery along the Seine. Evening cruise along the Seine River. Sip on a glass of champagne when you board your boat, for 8:30 p.m. dinner cruises only. Enjoy a 3-course à la carte dinner with wine. See iconic Paris attractions that line the Seine's UNESCO World Heritage listed riverbanks. Why travelers choose this tour. Guests on the 8:30 p.m. cruise get a glass of champagne while they wait to board. What to expect. Bateaux Parisiens. Embark and disembark at feet of the Eiffel Tower. 30 minutes admission ticket included. To Seine River. Admire the most iconic sights of Paris while you enjoy your 3-course dinner and leaf entertainment. 3 hours admission ticket free. Pont Alexandre 3. Pass by, admire this beautiful landmark during your dinner cruise. Musée d'Orsay, pass by. Admire the architecture of the Musée d'Orsay, which used to be a railway station. Latin Quarter, pass by. Enjoy the specific atmosphere of this area when you pass by. Pont Neuf, pass by. Lift your head and admire the sculptures when you pass by Pont Neuf, the oldest bridge of Paris. Cathédrale Notre Dame de Paris, pass by. From the river, you will have a wonderful perspective to the famous Notre Dame Cathedral. French National Library, Bibliothèque Nationale de France, pass by. You will see the interesting architecture which represents 4 open books. At this point, the boat will turn and cruise back to the city center. Louvre Museum, pass by. Admire the 700 meters long facade of the biggest museum of the world. The Louvre used to be the residence of French kings. Grand Palais, pass by. Admire the amazing architecture with its glass cupola. Statue de la Liberté, pass by. Admire the little sister of the New York Statue of Liberty with the Eiffel Tower in its background. 3 Eiffel Tower. The Bateaux Parisiens port is situated at feet of the Eiffel Tower. 30 minutes admission ticket not included. Thank you for watching this video. If you get some travel information, so like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel to your family, friends and relative.